Good morning, class. Today we're going to be looking at the different types of triangles. Now, my first question is pretty tricky, so if you get it wrong, it's okay, but I'm crossing my fingers we all get it right. How many sides are on a triangle? Hold it up or say it. 3. Okay, I'm so glad you know that. I was going to be nervous if you didn't. Since we've been going through geometry, we are going to kind of review some terms because geometry is full of symbols and definitions that can all get really jumbled. So the two that are going to be most important for today is going to be the dash mark, and that's going to represent the equal side lengths on any of the 3 sides of a triangle. The half circle is going to represent which angles of a triangle equal each other, and those will be measured in degrees. We're going to see these applied in the next few slides. The first triangle is called the equilateral triangle. Notice here it has the word equal in it, spelled a little differently, but that'll help us remember what this triangle identifies as. The equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. You can tell here because there's 3 dash marks representing all 3 sides equal, and there's 3 half circles here that represent all the angles equaling each other. The way that we're going to try and remember the equilateral triangle is because the capital letter E that it starts with has 3 equal parts. This top line, this middle line, and this bottom line all equal each other. Do I have any questions? Awesome. The second triangle is the isosceles triangle. Pretty tricky word. The isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. You can see here that it has 2 dash marks representing the equal sides and 2 half circles representing the equal angles. The way we're going to try and remember the isosceles triangle is that the capital letter I has 2 equal parts, the top line and the bottom line, just like the triangle. Questions on that one? All right, so we've learned 2 so far, equilateral and isosceles. We have 1 more to go through. Last is the scalene triangle. This one has no equal sides and no equal angles. There's no dashes present on the triangle. There's no half circles present on the triangle. Sometimes you'll see it a little differently with extra dash marks or extra half circles on it to help differentiate how there's none that equal each other. But for now, we're just going to leave it blank. The memory trick for this is that the capital letter S that the word scalene starts with has no equal parts, unlike the capital E and capital I. Sound good? Okay. Now, remembering the different triangles is pretty tricky, but also remembering all these weird words is pretty hard too. These terms are not familiar to us. We just learned them. So we're going to come up with a little jingle that's going to help us remember the different types of triangles. Okay? I would love if you unmuted yourselves to sing along with me. And as I sing one line, you're going to repeat after me when I pause. Okay? Sound good? Awesome. Whenever I sing the word equilateral, you're going to hold up the number 3. Can Abby tell me why we're going to hold up a 3?
Because it has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles.
Awesome. Brooklyn, what about the isosceles? What number are we going to hold up, you think?
A 2.
2, nice. And then scalene, 0 or none. Perfect. As I sing, you're going to repeat. Ready? Let's learn about the different triangles.
Let's learn about the different triangles.
Equilateral.
Equilateral.
Isosceles.
Isosceles.
Then there's scalene.
Then there's scalene.
And that's all for now.
And that's all for now.
Sweet. Now we're going to try our best to put it all together on the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Let's learn about the different triangles. Equilateral, isosceles, then there's scalene, and that's all for now. Awesome job today. We're definitely going to be looking at these more in the future, building off of them, talking more about them. So I'm so glad that we got to get through this basis of all the triangles today, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.